Special Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Special Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
State of Goa, through the investigation officer of Mapsa police station, has filed a petition before the High Court pleading to cancel the bail granted to accused Ajay Gupta in document forgery case, which the case is registered by Mapsa police station. According to the defense side, this petition was filed well before the arrest of Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra in this case, and the petition was filed on the ground that Ajay Gupta would need to be confronted with the accused duo Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra in this case. But according to the defense side, now the situations have changed, as the Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra were not only arrested but they are now released on bail in this case. Hence, there is no requirement for the confrontation. Though this matter came up for the hearing on Thursday before the High Court has issued notice to Ajay Gupta and has adjourned the hearing for 4th May. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.